Good morning, boys and girls. Today I am going to teach you a song, and then we're going to go outside to play the game. So while you're listening to the song, I don't want you to sing because we have to wait till we get outside for everyone to do their singing. But first, just listen to the song. A few of you guys will know it from last year. It's called The 7 Steps. So just listen to it first. Have you ever heard of the 7-7? Have you ever heard of the 7 steps? Watch the leader and you'll see what the next new step will be. All right, so we're standing in a circle outside, and the first thing we're going to do is everybody's going to take 7 steps to the right. Okay, so you're walking around in the circle. Have you ever heard of the 7-7? Have you ever heard of the 7 steps? On steps, you're going to turn around and go back the other way. Watch the leader and you'll see what the next new step will be. So on B, you stop and you face the middle of the circle. Now, it's called the 7 steps. So sometimes steps can mean when you're walking. Sometimes it can mean like a type of dance or a movement. So we have 7 people in the middle of the circle. So the first time, the person who's number 1, they sing, "This is 1," and they do a motion. So let's just say that they choose the disco. So they would go, "This is 1," and they do their motion. Then everybody in the circle says, "This is 1," and does the motion. So they echo them. Then we do the song again. So you're going to march. Have you ever heard of the 7-7? Have you ever heard of the 7 steps? Remember, on steps, you turn around. Watch the leader and you'll see what the next new step will be. So remember, on B, you're going to stop and look in the middle. Now, number 1, they have an important job because they have to go first every time. So number 1 goes first. This is 1, and everybody echoes, "This is 1. But now, because we're on the second one, number 2 is going to do their motion. "This is 2, and then everybody goes, "This is 2, and we keep going. So each time we add one more person. So the first time it's the number 1 person. The second time it's number 1 and number 2. The third time it's number 1, number 2, and number 3. And we keep going till we get to the 7th person. All right. So in a minute, we're going to go outside to play the game. And so now you kind of know how it works. All right. See you there.